Hi students, good morning. Previous class we have discussed in exercise 6.4. We have done up to question number 5. Okay, approximation. The question number 6. If the radius of sphere, if the radius of sphere is measured as 7 meter with an error of 0.02 meters, then find the approximate error in value. See, if the radius of sphere is measured as 7 meter with an error of 0.02 meter, then find the approximate error in value. Sphere, what is the value of sphere? 4/3 phi r cube. Okay, the radius of sphere, let the radius of sphere r. Okay, let the radius of sphere r equals, the radius of sphere is measured as 7 meter, given that r equal to 7 meter, with an error in radius is denoted by delta r. Change in value delta v, change in y is denoted by delta y, change in x is denoted by delta x, error in side is denoted by delta x, where x is the side of any cube. Are you following? Error in radius, change in radius, both are same. So error in radius delta r equal to 0.02 meters. Find the approximate error in its value. Okay, approximate value, error in value is denoted by delta v. Okay, the volume of sphere v equal to 4/3 pi r cube. So we should apply differentiation with respect of r, dv by dr equal to 4/3 pi constant r cube differentiation with respect of r 3r square into r differentiation with respect of r is 1. This get cancelled. So 4 pi r square. This is dv by dr. Now we are going to find change in error in value. So error in value of sphere, delta v equal to, the previous class we have discussed, change in y, using the formula delta y equal to dy by dx into delta x. Delta y, change in y equal formula dy by dx into delta x. Change in area delta a equal to dA by, if the area of circle is considered, area of circle is pi r square, it is depend on radius. So dA by dr into delta. So change in value of sphere delta v equal to dv by, what is the variable? What is the value of sphere? 4/3 pi r cube. Variable is r. So dv by dr into change in radius delta. Okay, I said in the starting class delta v and dv not exactly equal, approximately equal. Okay, are you following? So that's why you should multiply by delta. So the approximately this is, so delta v approximately dv by dr into delta. So dv by dr equal to 4 pi r square into delta r equal to 0.02. Substitute here 4 pi r value r equal to 7 square 49 into 0.02. So delta V equal to 4 into 49 into 0.02. 3.92 pi meter cube. This is change in value. Okay. Next, the question number. This is 6. Question number 7. Question number 7. If the radius of sphere is measured as 7 meter, 9 meters, 9 meter with an error of 0.03 meter, then find the approximate error in calculating its surface area. We should find error in surface area. Here we have done error in value. So what is the value of sphere? 4 pi r square. Okay. What is given here? Radius of sphere r equal to 9 meters. Okay. You see the question textbook. The radius of sphere is measured as 9 meter, r equal to 9 meters, and given that error in radius. If the radius of sphere is measured as r equal to 9 meter, so error in radius delta r equal to 0.03 meters. 0.03 meters delta r. Okay. Now we are going to find error in surface area. Okay. The surface area of sphere S is equal to 4 pi r square. So let's find differentiation with respect of radius ds by dr. Here r is variable, ds by r equal to 4 pi r square. Differentiation is 2r into r differentiation with respect of r is 1, which is equal to 8 pi r. This is ds by dr. Now error in surface area delta s is approximately equal to ds by dr into delta. Delta s approximately ds by dr equal to 8 pi r into delta r equal to 0.03. So 8 pi r equal to 9 into 0.03. So which is equal to 9 into 8 72 into 0.03. 2.16 pi meter cube. This is area meter square. This is error in surface area of sphere. The same question, same model in textbook, page number 215. Okay, question of example 25. That is homework. If the radius of sphere is measured as 9 cm with an error of 0.03 cm, find the approximate error in its value. Like this model. That you try yourself. Okay. Next, question number 6 and 7, 8. Okay. Example 25. Homework. Example 25. Page number 215. Page number 215. That is try yourself. Next, the question number 8. Now I am going to discuss the question number 8. If f of x equal to 3x square plus 15x plus 5, then approximate value of f of 3.02 is option A 47.66, option B 57.66, option C 67.66, option D 77.66. I think you know the formula f of x equal to 3x square plus 15x plus 5. What is the approximate formula? F of x plus delta x. F of x plus delta x equal to approximately f of x plus f dash x into delta x. This is we have proved in the previous class. F of x plus delta x, which is equal to approximately f of x plus f dash x into delta x. Now f of f dash x, let us find f dash x equal to 6x plus 50. Now we are going to find f of 3.02. f of 3.02 is nothing but which is equal to f of x plus delta x. 3.02 which is equal to f of x plus delta x. This is considered as f of x plus delta x, which is equal to, can I write like this, 3.02 which is equal to 3 plus 0.02. 3 plus 0.02. Tell me x equal to 3, compare with this, delta x equal to 0.02. So x equal to 3 and delta x equal to 0.02. Now we are going to find this f of x plus delta x, approximately f of x plus f dash x into delta x. F of x plus delta x means f of 3.02, approximately f of x 6x plus 50 plus f dash x, f of x is 3x square plus 15x plus 5. F dash x is 6x plus 50 into delta x equal to 0.02. Substitute the values. X equal to 3 square into 3 27, 15 into 3 45 plus 5 plus 6 into 3 18 plus 50. Calculate this 0.02. We get f of 3.02 which is equal to approximately 77.66. So the B option. Understood? This is we have proved in the starting plus f of x plus delta x equal to f of x plus f dash x into delta x. Okay, we have done many problems by using this formula. Okay. Next. 9 is over. Okay. Like this same model in page number 215, example 23. Example 23 also homework. Next, example 24. Example 24. Find the approximate change in the volume of B of Q of side x meters caused by increasing the side by 2%. Increasing means plus. If it is decreasing, minus. Let x be the side of already given. X be the side of Q. X be the side of Q. X be the side of Q. Right? Q. This is means delta x. Okay, increase change in x, that is denoted by delta x. Increases how much? 2%. 2% of x. 2% of side of q. So 2% of means 2 by 100 into x equal 0.02 x. This is increasing change in x of the q. Now we should find the value of q. What is the formula? Value of q. Value of q. V is equal to x cube. Here v and x variable. So we should apply differentiation. dv by dx equal to 3x square. Where into x derivative with respect of x is 1. What we are going to find? Change in value, not differential value. Change in value. Okay, error in value. Okay, tell me the change in value. Change in value. Formula delta V. Delta V and dV not equal, approximately. Okay, so delta V equal to, you know already. Tell me delta V equal to dV by dx into delta x. So dV by dx equal to 3x square and delta x equal to 0.02x. So which is equal to 0.06 x cube. This is change in value. If the side is decreasing, the side of cube, if it is decreasing by 2% means you should take here minus. Increasing means positive, decreasing means minus. When you take the minus here, the change in value also will be decreasing. So here minus will be. So minus represent decreasing, plus represent decreasing. That is keep in mind, because this type of question they will ask in the competitive, increasing and decreasing. Okay, this topic, exercise 6 point, all questions we have done. In example 23, 24, 25 is over. Okay, 22 and 21, I think you have done. Yes? That also over. Example 21 and 22. 22, see, one question I can explain. Example 22. Use differential to approximate 25 whole power 1 by 3. 25 whole power 1 by 3. This we have done many problems in exercise 6.4. Tell me 25 means cube root of 25. What is the nearest number? Cube root of 25? 27. Very close to 25. What is the cube root of number is? 27. So we can write like this: 27 minus 2 whole power 1 by 3. Known cube root of 25. 27 minus 2 whole power 1 by 3. So this is, can I write like this: 27 plus minus 2 whole power 1 by 3. So this we should consider f of x plus delta x. F of x plus delta x. Tell me f of x. Let f of x equal to x power 1 by 3. This is considered x. When you take the x, then f of x plus delta x is becoming 25. Means 27 plus minus 2 whole power 1 by 3. This is considered as x. X plus delta x. X replaced by x plus delta x. Okay, this is approximate value. This is a function. So we should create the function first. From that we will get this. So x equal to, compare with this, x is equal to 27 and delta x equal to minus 2. Now we are going to find f of x plus delta x value. This value. F of x plus delta x value formula. F of x plus delta x equal to f of x plus f dash x into delta x. F of x plus f dash x into delta x. F of x is x power 1 by 3 plus f dash x is x power 1 by the differentiation 1 by 3 x power 1 by 3 minus 1. So minus 27 whole power 1 by 1 by 3 x power 2 by 3, where x is 27 whole power 2 by 3 into minus 2. So which is equal 27 means 3 cube. 3 cube. Get cancel 3. Minus 2 by 3. 27 means 3 cube. 3 get cancel. 3 square 9. So which is equal approximately 3 minus 2 by 27. 2 by 27. So 3 minus 2 by 27 value 0.07. So 3 minus 0.07 equal to 2.93. This is the cube root of f of x plus delta x is nothing but 25 whole power 1 by 3. This is and this is same. So 25 whole power 1 by 3 cube root of 25 equal to 2.93. This is the use of the differentiation. So this is we have done without calculator by using differentiation concept. So this is one of the use the differentiation. Many are there. The application of derivative meaning is the derivative where we use in one of the topic is approximate. Okay. And tomorrow we'll discuss next class maximum and minimum. That is the last part in the application of derivative. Okay.